What's going on, guys, and welcome back to DriveHub. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the door straps on a Jeep Wrangler JK without having to remove the door panels. Removing the door panels is a pain in the ass and takes a lot of time, sometimes. The stock Jeep Wrangler JK straps are known to break, and eventually your door will swing into the front fender and give it a nice old signature JK dent. This should be a quick project. It's much quicker than removing the whole door panel and doing it that way. But all you're gonna need for tools is your new strap, a T30 Torx, and a pair of scissors. Now I'm gonna be using the DuraSharp 1000 stainless steel for this. Ew, why is there hair on this? So to start, we're gonna remove the T30 Torx bit. Be sure to put this down somewhere where you're not gonna lose it. I somehow have great luck of always losing bolts. Next, you're going to pull the fabric out from the door panel. Goes in just a little ways, and you'll see where the fabric strap begins. You pull it out, you're just going to put the scissors in there. Start cutting. Be careful doing this. You definitely don't want to be cutting any of these wires on accident. I definitely recommend using some sharper scissors than the DuraSharp 1000. Once you're all the way through, you can then pull the old strap off. Next, you're going to take the new strap and you're going to unzip it. All you're going to do now is wrap it around all the wires, just like the factory one was. Zip up the new strap. Just like that. You can then loop the new strap back onto the Jeep. And then put the door strap mount through the new strap and bolt it back to the door. Make sure those are nice and snug. And there's the new door strap in action. Looks like it's working awesome. Now you're going to do the exact same process for the other side. And just like that, the new door strap's in. Looks like it's working great. The end of this fabric strap was covered in electrical tape and tucked in there. The other end had electrical tape, but it wasn't actually connecting the strap to the wires. So you can go ahead and wrap this end, the side that's attached to the door, in electrical tape if you'd like. All right guys, so that's how easy it is to replace the door straps using the zipper ones. This method is much, much easier than removing the whole door panel and doing it that way. These zipper door straps appear that they're just as strong. They look like they're working great. And I'll include any updates if for some reason these ones do happen to rip or tear very early on. Again, I'll include links down in the description below so you can check these door straps out for yourself. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy motoring.